Planning a short escape from the English winter, I wanted to overhaul how I organise my tech while travelling. And this bit of kit has completely changed the game. It's the Alpaka Elements Tech Case. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, watches, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just want to see what people actually carry, you are in the right place, because what you carry carries you. Alpaka are an Australian brand producing premium functional EDC and travel gear, and they are rapidly becoming my go-to brand. This case is a cleverly designed travel organiser that doubles as a compact sling. This version is made from x-pac VX21, which is lightweight, durable and seriously weather resistant. It is paired with YKK Aquacard zippers that feel smooth and keep the rain out. The size is spot on too. It is 15.5 by 24 by 9 centimetres. Making it compact, but actually deep enough to carry real gear and not just a couple of leads. It has a claimed capacity of 2.1 litres and weighs in at 300 grams. You can throw it in a backpack as a portable tech case, stand it on a desk as a workstation organiser, or use the included strap and wear it as a sling. It is perfect for passing through airports with boarding pass, passport and media devices all instantly accessible. There's even a luggage pass-through and a grab handle, which is brilliant for those travel days. Inside, things get even better. The accordion-style opening fans out to show all of your gear at once. 12 pockets across 3 compartments, lined with this bold blood orange honeycomb ripstop. It's stylish, protective, and incredibly functional. But what's inside? First, reading. I was late to the e-reader game because I love real books, but the Kindle won me over for travel with unlimited books and a tiny footprint. This one is now showing its age, but it is still doing its job. Then the main workhorse, the unfashionably brilliant Kindle Fire HD8. No, it is not an iPad mini, which would also fit into the case. And no, this is not a trendy productivity beast. But if I'm on a holiday flight, which this upcoming trip will be, then productivity is not my priority. The software on the Fire is very Amazon-centric, and it is definitely not a multitasking beast. I can access my email, but not my Google Drive, for example. I will have my laptop with me on a trip, but not on the flight. Flights for me are a couple of drinks, relaxing and consuming a box set or a couple of movies, given that I rarely have time to watch them at home. And the screen on the Kindle Fire is great for watching movies or TV shows on a plane, along with its solid battery life at around 13 hours. This is a media consumption machine and not a work device. I picked this one up on an Amazon deal at around £70, and now the 8 frequently comes in much cheaper. It's cheap enough that if it gets knocked, spilled on or lost, I will not be crying too much into my airline gin and tonic. Travel needs power, and for that I have this, the UGREEN Nexode 65 watt charger. This little brick replaces 3 old chargers and is still reasonably compact with a folding plug. The 3 ports allow the phone, tablet and more to be charged all at once. I've paired it with this 2 meter 100 watt USB-C cable, also from UGREEN. The long reach is a lifesaver in those hotel rooms with terrible plug locations. I tried going minimal with just 1 cable, but the reality is multiple devices need multiple cables. For backup power, I have this IGG PBB 26,800 mAh battery bank. It may not be the prettiest, but it has a massive capacity and it is still reasonably compact. It keeps everything alive on those long flights or transfers when charging ports aren't available. It does slide nicely into one of the compartments, but is there a better high capacity, slimmer, more lightweight option out there? I am constantly searching for the right power bank. If you can think of something better, then please do let me know down in the comments. For audio, I have these noise cancelling Bose wired headphones, which again are a good few years old, but are still more than up to the task. They do now need an adapter for newer devices as they have the old school headphone jack, but by being wired, that means no pairing issues, no battery anxiety, and no earbuds launching into the abyss under seat 22B. Plus, the Fire HD still does have a headphone port, so thank you, Amazon. Another couple of things that I keep close to hand in the travel case is a Moleskine notebook for any gin and tonic inspired inspiration. I pair this with a Parker Jotter, my everyday pen of choice, and I particularly like the stainless steel versions. In all my carries and kits, I have these Clinell Wipes. These are great for those grubby tray tables, enough said, and some screen and glasses wipes always come in useful. Throw in the emergency meds and the flashlight from my Altoids travel kit, which I featured in a previous video, and that's my entire flight setup in one compact, stylish pouch. There's no backpack rummaging, no overhead locker gymnastics. Just sit down, chill out, sip that drink, and get the movie on. What do I love about this case? Well, it is rugged and weather resistant. There is this smart internal layout. I like the sling mode option for hands-free travel. And above all, it looks clean, minimalist, and stylish. What's not so perfect is the price. It is not the cheapest, coming in at between £53 and £61 in the UK, depending on whether you choose the Axoflux or the x-pac version. There is also a mini version starting at £35. But as I've said before, you have to pay for quality. I really like this case. I'm sure it'll be perfect for this trip and will become my go-to travel tech case. If you want a versatile tech case that keeps everything organised and protected, the Alpaka Elements Tech Case might be the perfect addition to your travel carry. I will leave links to the pouch and everything in it down below and also over on my kit.co page. But over to you. Do you use a tech case when you travel? What is in your loadout? What should I add to mine? And what should I lose? Please drop your thoughts down in the comments. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. A subscribe would be absolutely amazing. And hit that notification bell so that you know when the next one drops. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.